The Thermalright CORE Vision 360 all-in-one cooler delivers strong thermal performance with a long white radiator and 3 high-speed fans that keep modern processors comfortably in check under heavy loads. Its 2.1-inch square liquid crystal display offers sharp 480 by 480 resolution, bright colors, and enough detail to show both system stats and custom images clearly on the pump head. The factory-coated white radiator, matching fans, and subtle addressable lighting create a clean, cohesive look that fits especially well in bright-themed or showcase computer builds. Triple 120mm fans with pulse width modulation control ramp up smoothly, combining solid airflow with silicone dampening corners to keep noise surprisingly reasonable for the cooling power on tap. Compatibility is a strong point with brackets for current Intel and AMD desktop sockets, so it can move between platforms without needing extra hardware. Build quality feels reassuring, from the reinforced tubing to the sturdy mounting hardware, giving confidence that this cooler is designed for long-term daily use.